billion people depend on the oceans every day for their main source of protein. We have a short period of time to figure out how to protect the ocean.
That challenge that the Bloomberg Philanthropies brought us led us to realize that this whole idea of the food benefits of a robust ocean hadn't been focused on enough.
The interesting idea about the Vibrant Oceans Initiative, which is both trying to save the oceans and feed the world, is that you can do that through this series of interventions. Oceana is trying to, at a national level, change regulations and policy to stop overfishing from the industrial fishing fleets. RARE is working to try to help communities understand the natural resources they have and protect them. And we're basically coming in with finance and trying to use private capital as a lever to induce people to change behavior.
In one area that we've chosen to focus on together, which is called the Tanyon Strait, you've got these local government units, and they each have what are called municipal waters. So it's like 15 kilometers out is their area. But then on the other hand, you have commercial fishers that also intrude into these municipal waters. And that's kind of where we're hoping to start working with groups like Oceana that's going to be focusing on commercial fisheries enforcement.
We're saying establish national policies that take a longer-term view, that require that the catch limits be set in line with science, require that nursery habitat be protected, and reduce what's called bycatch. You do those three things, you will put more fish in the water.
If only the small fishers, or the municipal fishers as we call them, are allowed to fish, our poverty incidence will decline by not less than 10%.
We managed to run campaigns that saw changes in behavior. People would stop destructive practices, they would use the right gear, stay away from no-take zones, and let the fish recover there. And we actually saw conservation results.
I hope also that someday that I can say that I've been part of the solution for the preservation of Tanyon Strait.
We have a bigger fish catch now, so we must take good care of the sanctuary. We must guard it because the fish have returned.
Bloomberg Philanthropies has really made this work possible. We're seeing fish stocks rebound. We're seeing habitat get protected. In some cases, we're literally seeing coral cover rebound. We weren't even sure this was possible, and it's definitely inspiring.